Hello students, now we are going to start question number 5 of the same lesson. Underline the transitive verbs and circle the intransitive verbs in the following sentences. So students, here in this exercise we have to underline the transitive sentence and we have to circle the intransitive one. A. I received the parcel last night. I received. Received what? The parcel. So transitive verb. We will underline this. The thief ran towards the city park. Even if we write the thief ran, the meaning is clear. So intransitive. We will circle this. C. We get. Get what? Jaggery from sugarcane. So here the meaning of get is not clear without the object. So it is a transitive verb. So we have to underline get. D. He crossed the road at the zebra crossing. He crossed. Crossed what? The road. So here also the meaning of the verb crossed is not complete without the word, without the object. So transitive. We will underline this. So understood students? In the same way you have to complete from E to action homework. Now let us start question number 6. Underline the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentences. Write T for transitive verbs and IN for intransitive verbs in the blanks. A. Shravan left after finishing his work. It is intransitive verb. Shravan left. So the meaning of this is clear even without the object. So intransitive. He left his phone on the table. Here we do not know the meaning of left is not clear without the object. So transitive. B. Could you move your bike towards the other gate, please? Could you move? Move what? Your bike. So here the object is required to complete the meaning. So transitive. The trees moved. The trees moved. Here the meaning is clear. So intransitive. C. Mukti lived. Mukti lived. So here lived what? A peaceful life. So here the object is required. So this is a transitive verb. Until she moved. She moved. Moved what? To the city. So intransitive verb. My cousin Shikha lived with us for almost 2 years. Intransitive. So students, understood? In this way you have to complete D and E in homework. Now, last question of this lesson, that is question number 7. Identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. One has been done for you. Students, we have to identify the error in the sentences given and we have to rewrite them. We have to rewrite these sentences after correcting it. So, A. Reena cutted the cake with a plastic knife. Now here, cutted is the wrong form of the verb. Cut doesn't has any form of cutted. So, it will be cut. The tourist throwed the silver coins into the pond. It is not throwed, it is thrown. So we will change throwed to threw. C. Abhinav speaked rudely to Sangeeta. Speaked will change to spoke. D. The naughty children bursted all the balloons. It's not bursted, it will be burst. E. She dreamed of a fairyland where unicorns flied in the air. It is not dreamed, it is dreamed. So, students, you have to find out the error in F to H in homework and correct it.